Hello, my name is Lauren Maxwell, and I'm going to share one of my favorite instructional strategies with you. It's called Reader's Theater. This is a strategy that can be used with any grade level or subject. What is Reader's Theater, you're asking? Great question. So, in Reader's Theater, students perform by reading scripts created from grade level books or stories. Usually they do so without costumes or props. Reader's Theater is a strategy that combines reading practice and performing. Its goal is to enhance students' reading skills and confidence by having them practice reading with a purpose. Reader's Theater gives students a real reason to read aloud. Some of the benefits of using Reader's Theater in the classroom include improved reading comprehension, collaboration among peers. You can also do inter-grade level collaborations if that's something you're interested in. A boost in speaking and learning and listening skills, an increase in reading fluency. It's also a very low maintenance activity to plan for and actually to have the students run independently once they understand the concepts and how to do it. It's also very motivating. Students enjoy reading scripts, they enjoy working in groups, and oftentimes the scripts are of high interest or contain humor, and the students really have a great time working through them and practicing. It also integrates literacy with other subjects. So for example, you could do a Reader's Theater script about a science topic or a social studies topic, depending on your grade level and what your class is currently working on. Also, there is a vocabulary component. It introduces some really higher order thinking words that the students might not normally have exposure to. And also freedom of expression. So students are able to be silly or be serious. This is one for the kids that like to perform and act. This is a time for them to shine. So here are some tips for implementing Reader's Theater, and I'll actually put the link for this YouTube video. But just so you get a general idea, here is a teacher who's used Reader's Theater before. So as I said, I'll put the link in the bottom of my post so that if you would like to, you may watch the whole video through. Some tips for selecting a Reader's Theater text for your class. The first one is it should be interesting or has a compelling content. So you wouldn't want to have a typical story or something that's not of high interest when you're working for a Reader's Theater script. Also, it should have a strong storyline, interesting characters, conflict, plot, action, humor, anything that's going to keep the students engaged and interested in practicing. It should also be something that uses dialogue so they have an opportunity to do different parts and read different characters. And also it should be something that flows at a steady pace. It makes it easier for the students to read and practice. Here are some references as well, some websites of some articles if you would like more information about Reader's Theater. Thank you very much, and I hope that you enjoyed my instructional strategy, Reader's Theater.